Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Tyhee, local and long distance movers near me. We offer the following long distance moving services: packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. With our help, your relocation becomes so much easier. We offer you the best long distance moving services, whether you're moving 100 miles away or 2,000 miles away. Our team will ensure you get the best moves possible without all the stress. An Idaho moving company can make your local move super simple. With great movers on the job, you don't have to worry about injury from the heavy lifting. Plus, you don't have to recruit any friends or family to help with the heavier items. Instead, you'll just save time and energy as your movers take care of everything. With 3 Movers, you get the team you need to make your moving easier. We streamline the process to get you settled in so much sooner. Our team can make your move, home or business, in less than a day, even if it's a huge move. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Tyhee moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.